Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. It is Monday, it is the first day for me for the Police Emergency Services games. I'm really looking forward to it. I've got five-a-side football today, indoors, futsal, and in the finals tomorrow if we make it to the finals, and then I play with the police in 11-a-sides from Wednesday through till Saturday. So let's get stuck in with a shave using Devils on the Field, which is my exclusive for the channel from Lather Bros. This one is a real sweet grassy sort of scent and I love it, and I usually use this normally when Manchester United are playing, which they have. They played this morning and luckily won. I didn't watch the game because I was trying to sleep. I think it was like Christmas. I was so excited I couldn't sleep. It was doing my head in, so I'm actually quite tired this morning, but the old bag's under the eyes. So it'll be a couple of coffees and away we go. Let's see how we go. So the brush I'm going to use today is also my Manchester United brush. This one was created by Leo Frio of Perfect Woodwork LLC over in America. Absolutely beautiful brush. And I've got a 24mm Magard 2 band. So I've just flicked out most of the excess straight into the soap. My wife hates the scent of this stuff, absolutely hates it. But it's more of a good luck thing for me now when I use it for Man United and when I play football as well. So this week will be the first week that I've actually played 11-a-sides, and probably, it'll be going on probably 3 years now. I've trained with 11-a-side teams, but I haven't actually played a match. So it'll be interesting to see how my fitness holds up, given that my fitness side, I don't really do anything to keep fit other than go to work and walk all day and play soccer indoors whenever I can. I don't really do anything else. Really loading this brush heavy. It doesn't need to be this heavy. There we go. But stuff it. Now I started to shave off camera using some Furball pre-shave gel, which is really good stuff. It does sort of help with any irritation that you might get, anything like that. So I'm just going to scoop out the excess from the tub, plop on the skin. I've just noticed as well, I've just ticked over 2,500 subscribers. Excuse me. So I'm quite surprised at that, because it doesn't seem that long ago that I hit 2,000. Then again, it was probably ages ago. My memory's just crap. So here we go, let's paint this on. Now if you're new to the channel and new to wet shaving and this is the first video you watch, this soap is Lather Bros' previous formula. Their latest formula is actually better, but you'll see how good this one is, just to give you a comparison. Yeah, let's start dipping the tips. I've just come out the shower, but this is still a cold water shave. Now don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty certain that the Magard 2 bands come from Yaki or Yahtzee or whatever you want to call them. It's a very, very high quality knot. Just at the tips. Oh, it's a very, very good soap. Right, I'm going to be using the Carve Christopher Bradley razor. Surprise, surprise. The only razor I really use for face shaves. It's the only razor I actually really own now. I've got an Above the Tie R1 Calypso and that's it. I've got a Gillette Ruby on here today, as you can see, and I think this is the 5th use on it. I think there's 4 dots on the other side of that blade from memory. I'd take it off, but I can't be arsed. There we go. I've also been working on this handle, trying to hold it the same way I do with the 3-inch. Gillette Ruby, super smooth. Right, first pass done, nice and easy. There's absolute loads of residual slickness, loads. I'll just show you in fact. You can actually see just a little bit of the different colouring there, just where I've scraped that over. That's how much is on the skin still, which is good. It's exactly what you want. One thing I love about this knot is it's got tons of scrub, but it's never quite too much. It just seems to be pretty much spot on. I never feel like I'm going to end up with a lot of irritation or any brush burn. Well, I never do. I never have had it from this brush actually. actually needs a little bit more hydrating, but it's done now. I've overloaded the brush so much. I could have spent a lot longer with it, I just want to get done. Now, even though this razor is quite hefty, it's still very, very manoeuvrable. Just give me a second. Oh, a bit of fresh air in. Right. Going into the Simfit, so it's chock-a-block, full of shaving cream, bladder should I say, bladder. Come on man, how long have you been doing this for? Now I know if I added more water to that, it would just grow again. As it is, I don't need it. Beautiful. Just do a little bit, just on the lips. I don't think it really needs it, but we'll do it anyway. Beautiful. Now, one area that I really do enjoy from Latherbros is the post-shave feel, which for me is pretty much spot on. I'm really impressed with it. It never lets me down with post-shave feel. It's always lovely moisturised. It just does the trick. It's good stuff. The great thing about Lather Bros as well is the artisan over there is a Manchester United supporter, Manchester United fan. So that just adds to the, for me, the liking of the company. That's the brush done. I'll just give the soap a rinse out. This soap may actually become the first soap that I actually finish. I do use it quite often. I use it at least 2-3 times a month, generally. Sometimes 4, depends how many times Manchester United play and whether I remember to use it or not. Right, post shave's lovely, but I am still going to apply some Devils on the Field aftershave balm, which matches the soap pretty much identically. It's a very thick balm. And here comes the menthol. Good old menthol. Smells incredible. Right, so that was Lather Bros Devils on the Field, exclusive for the channel for another cut above. Well, as you can see down here, got the Manchester United logo there, and then we've got exclusive for another cut above. It's just amazing. I was blown away when I was sent this soap, especially with the label and everything on it. I wasn't expecting anything like that ever. That was the balm, same label, absolutely brilliant. The brush for today was the 24mm Magard 2-band, which is super soft, beautiful, beautiful brush, and it's really dense. It's such a dense knot. And there's that beautiful handle again. Obviously for lead supporters and stuff, it's not when you turn it that way. Manchester United, beautiful. The razor is the Carve Christopher Bradley razor with the B plate, Gillette Ruby 5th use, and this has got the 3.5-inch handle, I believe. It's the Argyle handle, which is slightly different knurling. If you've got a Carve razor, you'll notice the difference in the knurling here. But this is just a stunning razor, and it gives me pretty much perfection every time I use it. I get the odd little weeper here and there, but that happens with every razor that I use anyway. Started off with Furbo as well, don't forget the Furbo. And that's me done and dusted. So I'm looking forward to getting stuck in today. Wish me luck. I'll catch you guys next time. Stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.